baby. Good morning. That's not going to work. What are you doing? Are you eating your shirt?
Now that's a hungry kid. Huh? You a hungry kid?
Yay!
Here's Derby. Here's Derby. Derby almost got you.
What happened?
Oh. I'm making more of a mess than you are. Yeah.
Open up. Good boy. Got Grandpa Bill's
Yeah, right.
neckerchief around your neck. Oh,
You can't get it off.
you knew I said that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Nope, leave it on. Leave it on. Because you can put that over your face when you're on the trail ride.
His face on my leg.
Feed me.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Get Derby. Yeah, get Derby. He's got food on his hand. Yeah. Okay. Oh, boy, what a big boy he is.
Good boy, James.
He's so aware of everything around him.
I know.
It's amazing.
Yeah. He doesn't miss a trick, even though he doesn't speak the language quite yet. What? What? You can't have that. No. What do you want, the remote? You want to change the channel? No, you can't get down.
Here you go. Good stuff. Huh. That
Okay.
good stuff? You silly kid.
Oh, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, that's the royal wave.
That's the royal wave. Say happy birthday, Granny. It's Granny's birthday. Say happy birthday.
Yes, it's Granny's birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Okay. He's ordering you to have a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.